This is me and my iPhone Daily, Volume 1, number 926 for identification. I had a listener ask me about mail and syncing her iPhone, and here's the short answer. There are two possible problems. First, you need to create a restore or backup of the iPhone, which will automatically sync your telephone and create a restore copy in case of a disaster. The restore copy may be pushed to iCloud or created on your computer, wherever you choose. An iPhone will sync to any computer, but first you must load iTunes. Don't worry, it's free and Apple wants you to have it, and you can buy music through the iTunes store and play it on your phone and or computer, even a PC. If you're working with an Apple computer, all of your mail accounts on the computer will be reproduced on the iPhone, no pain, no strain. If you're not going to sync to your computer, then you must create each email account on your telephone by going through Settings, the gear wheel, scroll down until you see Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Open, swipe up to access Add Account. Pressing the bar will prompt you to add an account. When I did this, I found I had 3 duplicate accounts. I deleted 2. This may save some space on the iPhone. Further, in Settings, you must enable Sync, and you will be prompted to sync Contacts, Mail, Calendar, etc. Before we continue with this edition of Me and My iPhone Daily, we'll have a brief commercial announcement. News you can use. Monday, September 29th, National Coffee Day. Krispy Kreme, Dunkin' Donuts, and $5, thank you Dave Ramsey, are among the retailers offering free or discounted Java that day. Kiplinger's Personal Finance September issue, website www.kiplinger.com. We're back from commercial. If your organization would like to have sponsorship information, please call 800-228-2717. That's 800-228-2717. In passwords, one isn't enough. Passwords are not like black socks. One size does not fit all. I know it's a pain to keep up with all the passwords required by this vendor or that site, and if you're an iPhone user, you have to keep up with 2 right from the start. Every iPhone user has to have an Apple ID, so when you shop at the iTunes store, Apple knows where to send the bill. Yes, Virginia, your Apple ID is required even for free apps. Here's something you may not know. With your Apple ID, you also certify that you're over 18. FYI, this is subject to change with iOS 8. Of course, for passwords like your Kroger Plus card, a phone number is good enough because your Plus card doesn't contain anything of value. If my Kroger Plus card knows I'm over 60, how come Kroger doesn't know I'm over 21? Instead of trying to create one password for all accounts, consider writing them down. Yes, your problems could be solved with a check register and a number 2 yellow. However, here are some hints on passwords. Avoid dictionary words. Don't use your birth date, telephone number, and never use your social security number. Even your driver's license number should be avoided, even if you could remember it. The world's first computer, Colossus, was used to exploit crypts breaks in the German Enigma code. Emails are not case sensitive, but passwords are. A good password would contain an uppercase letter, number, and or symbol, i.e. uppercase 2 @ or uppercase 3 hashtag. Even better is interspersing special characters and or numbers, considering the following example. SH, uppercase 2, A, or @ 2 for Z, A, 37, M, 221. Shazam, Gomer Pyle. And a local zip code. Uppercase S, small h, the @ sign for A, 2 for Z, start zip code 37, M, final letter, finish zip code 221, Shazam, 6 letters and a zip code is 5 numbers, total length 11 characters. Start with a non-dictionary word, add uppercase characters, letters and or symbols, and numbers. Create a base word of at least 6 or 7 letters and add your zip code, or better, still reverse a telephone number. I actually own 5 different telephone numbers. Most new applications are now going to a 2-level authentication. FYI, American Express has led the way, requiring a user to enter their zip code at gas stations in Florida since 2008, and at JCPenney's and Macy's. Many users objected to this, thinking it was a sort of privacy invasion. American Express did it first because they're self-insured. Apple Pay will add another level of security and slow down the move to PayPal because it's so much easier. This will all become moot when chip-embedded cards are available. New apps that will appear on your iPhone. Health, the white box with the pink heart off center. This app is intended to be your personal medical advisory and will be available to any medical personnel without enabling the telephone in case of emergency. It's not necessary to set up Health to enable medical ID. If you have special needs, such as being allergic to certain drugs or have other medical conditions, such as a pacemaker, emergency medical personnel can access this information from the emergency dialer without unlocking the iPhone. Of course, they first have to know that you're carrying an iPhone. As far as the rest of the app is concerned, I guess it's a good thing, but there's a limit to just how much personal information I'd like to share with the rest of the world. So for now, I think I'll move Health to one of the back screens or last screens. Next time, we'll talk about Flipboard. If you would like to make a comment and or a suggestion or nominate a new app, we'd like to hear from you. Call 800-228-2717, that's 800-228-2717, or by U.S. snail to Bridgemaven, Post Office Box 210111, 37221, Nashville, Tennessee. This has been Me and My iPhone, the Daily Podcast, Volume 1, Number 926 for identification.